G'day guys, it's Donny's Hot Tip here, and make sure you subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we got every plate, as you guys can see here. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you guys what's inside it, and yeah, like just sort of what's going on in here. Now, it's like those companies like Light and Easy and so forth. It's all, stock standard, pretty much the same. These guys do things just a little bit differently. As they all try and do. So here basically are your three little recipe books, and they show you there. There's the first one. It just shows you little steps on how to do it and so forth. Next one, recipe, boom, how to do it. Recipe, how to do it. It's all clear instructions. Any idiot could do it. Alright, open this up. Here, we'll put those recipes off to the sides. Alright, so you got your greens, your veggies, your breads and stuff on this side. As you can see, it's all boxed. Now, the trouble with this company is, which they do differently to other companies, is you've literally got to look at the front here and you've got to work out your ingredients. So obviously, if I've got three recipes, I've got to put it all together myself. And in here, you've got your ice packies, and then you've got your meat all done, your cream. Oh, that's very cold. Chicken thighs, that's how it all just comes like this. All neatly done, there like so, and then boom, another ice packing. And now, these are good little baggies. You can definitely reuse them. Good little ice baggies. Alright, so then what you do, once you get to this stage, you've had a bit of a looky. Shouldn't bend that up. So we'll pick a recipe, say the beef burgers. Alright, so we want the one sweet potato. So then you go in your boxy, one sweet potato. Alright, next one, tomato. So I'm going to search in your boxy, somewhere here, there should be one tomato. Alright, one tomato. So we're making the recipe up. Then you go back in your boxy, you want one bit of garlic. Right, boom, one garlic. What's the next one? Is a beef mince. So we find that. There it is. There's your beef mince. Put that down there like so. Next one is the seasoning. They come in these little thingies. Let me try and find one for you. That's not it. Righto, we'll keep have a bit of a look in here. Oh, where the seasoning is? Might be this one here. Yeah, that's it there. So let's see there. That's garlic seasoning. So garlic seasoning. Alright, the next one. Got to find this one. There's the breadcrummies. I think that's them. No, that's rice. That'll be interesting. Alright, and then see, you get your breadcrummies like here, like so. Alright, now we need obviously the bread. So you got your bread, boom. And lucky last one, the salad leaves, and boom. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've found all the ingredients. It wasn't too difficult. Alright, and then that's your first one there. So you just bag that up or do whatever you want, alright? And then you go your next recipe and your next recipe and so forth. And then now I would just box that up myself, and that's box number one. And then chuck your little thingy in there like so. And there's the next one, you do your next one, and then your next one and so forth. And yeah, so that's just the unboxing of it, guys. The recipes taste fairly decent for what they are. They're fairly cheap. For the 3 meals, about $60 for 2 dinners. They say they do 3 people, but I don't know about that. 2 at the max. 3, well, you're pushing it. I don't know how much you're sort of eating, but yeah, you're pushing, but you can manage. Alright guys, that was Donny's Hot Tip, quick unboxing. Maybe later on in the video I'll just show you guys cooking one of these up and we'll see how it comes out. Alright guys, that was Donny's Hot Tips, and we'll see you on the next one.